Japan is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world. Massive earthquakes, typhoons, torrential rain, and heavy snowfall. Few countries experience so many natural disasters on such a regular basis. And yet, Japan is also known for having remarkably few large-scale blackouts. The average annual outage time fluctuates slightly from year to year, but it is generally kept to around 24 minutes per year, an extremely low figure. In practical terms, this means that many people living in Japan almost never experience a blackout at all. Even when outages occur during natural disasters, power is often restored relatively quickly, and long-term nationwide paralysis is rare. In many other countries, however, blackouts lasting several hours, several days, or even several weeks are not unusual. So why is Japan able to maintain such stable electricity supplies despite being a disaster-heavy nation? Global comparison. Blackout situations differ completely by country. Power outage conditions vary dramatically from country to country. In developing nations, major issues often include insufficient power generation capacity, aging transmission infrastructure, illegal power connections, lack of infrastructure investment. In Nigeria, for example, private generators are considered essential household infrastructure in some regions. In South Africa, rolling blackouts caused by electricity shortages have become a major social problem. In other words, in many countries, uninterrupted electricity is not considered normal in the first place. Emerging and middle-income countries face different challenges. Rapid economic growth dramatically increases demand for factories, expanding cities, air conditioning, data centers. As a result, infrastructure development often cannot keep pace. In India, for example, the massive 2012 blackout affected roughly 600 million people, making it one of the largest power outages in history. So, are developed countries stable? Not necessarily. In the United States, aging power grids have become a major concern, and large-scale outages repeatedly occur due to hurricanes and extreme heat waves. During the 2021 Texas winter storm, millions of people lost power. Europe also faces energy instability caused by energy policy issues, supply shortages, and rising electricity prices. Countries such as France and the United Kingdom experience relatively frequent outages compared to Japan. While Japan averages around 24 minutes of outages per year, France typically experiences around 30 to 60 minutes, and the UK around 40 to 70 minutes. France relies heavily on nuclear power, which provides roughly 70% of its electricity. However, heat waves and scheduled maintenance can reduce output, while renewable energy fluctuations and aging regional transmission networks also contribute to instability. In the United Kingdom, strong winds and storms frequently damage overhead power lines. Dependence on wind energy can also create supply instability during low wind periods, while aging infrastructure remains a major issue. Compared to Japan, both countries have relatively weaker disaster-resistant design standards and preventive maintenance systems. In other words, developed country does not automatically mean no blackouts. Despite being a disaster-prone nation, Japan remains one of the world's most stable electricity systems. This can also be measured using SAIDI, the System Average Interruption Duration Index, which tracks the average annual outage time per customer. Although exact figures vary slightly by year and region, Japan consistently maintains outage times at extremely low levels, comparable to countries such as South Korea, Singapore, and Germany. In other words, Japan is a country with unusually stable electricity despite constant natural disasters. Why Japan's power grid is so strong. So what makes Japan's electricity system so resilient? First, Japan's power grid is designed with extraordinary detail and redundancy. Across the country, enormous networks of transmission lines, substations, and distribution facilities are interconnected through multiple backup routes. In other words, the system is designed from the beginning under the assumption that failures will happen. Transmission lines, substations, and towers are built to meet some of the world's highest earthquake resistance standards. Even when failures occur, automated switching systems reroute electricity through alternate pathways to prevent large-scale blackouts. During earthquakes, systems instantly activate: automatic shutdowns, grid separation, fault detection. This prevents local accidents from cascading into nationwide outages. Another critical factor is the undergrounding of power lines in major urban areas. Especially in large cities, placing major transmission infrastructure underground greatly reduces damage from strong winds, snow, falling trees, animals. In addition, Japan heavily emphasizes redundancy. Even if one route becomes unusable, electricity can still be supplied through alternative routes. Japan's regional electric utility companies also conduct extremely detailed equipment management and monitoring. Japan's extreme maintenance culture. Perhaps the most unique characteristic of Japan's electricity system is its unusually intense maintenance culture. In Japan, utility poles, transformers, transmission lines, substations are regularly inspected and replaced. In many countries, infrastructure is often used until it fails. Japan, however, strongly prioritizes replacing equipment before failure occurs. Of course, this approach is expensive, but it also greatly reduces the risk of catastrophic breakdowns. One major reason for Japan's stability is its continuous, large-scale infrastructure investment and preventive maintenance philosophy. Electric companies systematically replace aging infrastructure while increasingly using AI systems and sensor technologies for predictive maintenance, allowing problems to be identified before failures occur. This long-term investment mindset forms the foundation of Japan's stable electricity supply. In other words, Japan's strength lies not in repairing systems quickly, but in preventing failures from happening in the first place. Emergency response systems. Of course, Japan does not completely avoid blackouts. Major typhoons can still destroy transmission towers. Disasters, such as the Noto Peninsula earthquake, can make recovery difficult by cutting off roads and isolating regions. Japan also faces new challenges, including increasing renewable energy usage, fluctuating electricity demand, aging infrastructure. Even so, Japan continues to experience relatively few blackouts because the entire system is built around three assumptions. Failures will happen. Systems must be maintained before failure occurs, and recovery must happen immediately if failure occurs. This philosophy is deeply embedded throughout Japanese society. Conclusion: modern Japanese society cannot function without electricity. Railways, hospitals, communications, logistics, factories, and data centers all depend entirely on stable power. That is why not losing electricity is itself a national function. Japan's power grid is not merely infrastructure. It is a massive system designed to preserve the normal everyday life that people often take for granted.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Deep Focus Japan for more videos on Japanese society and current issues.